I could have done it at home also, but I wanted to show it on the camera because it is related to cycling. I got some cycling stuff. Hello amazing people, thanks for tuning into my channel. This is your host Rachishman and today is 15th of May and कल से यहाँ पे वेस्ट बंगाल में स्टेट वाइड लॉकडाउन है. सो दिस बिकम्स माई लास्ट आउटडोर राइड क्योंकि कल से पूरा आउटडोर राइडिंग बंद होने वाला है फॉर 15 days एंड आई वोंट बी गोइंग आउट for the sake of safety as well. I'll be stopping my outdoor ride but my cycling won't stop. And how is that? This video is about that thing. So I have got a new thing which will help me continue my cycling even if I won't be able to ride outdoors. So let me finish off my evening ride and I'll hop back to home and let's start with the unboxing thing. Now let's talk about this huge ass parcel which came in yesterday. Actually ये कल ही आ गया था but it was kept outside for disinfection and stuff for one day. And now let's go for an unboxing of this parcel. देखते हैं इसमें क्या आया है. It is pretty huge as you can see. I could have done it at home also but I wanted to show it on the camera because it is related to cycling. I got some cycling stuff. So the box is open now. Let me see what's inside it. Well, I guess I'm opening it on the opposite side. So yeah, this is the correct side. Oh yeah, I got a new roller. So it's a roller bike trainer. So इसको अभी पूरी खोलते हैं and let me show you what's inside and how the roller looks. Let's get the main box out of the courier box. It's pretty tightly packed, I guess. It up. Yeah, this is the box and let's open up. I guess ये courier में थोड़ा सा खराब हो गया यहाँ से. You know, the shipping people, we cannot rely much on them. The box already looks pretty huge. When it got delivered yesterday in the afternoon, I thought क्या ही आ गया इतना बड़ा सा. I did order for a roller but I did not expect it to be this big. You know, because I have not done roller before. I have not used a roller before, so I didn't know how much the size would have been. So let's open it up. Let's cut it from here. Got some good bubble wrap as well. You can see अच्छे से bubble wrap में पैक करके आया हुआ है and this will always be useful for my time pass. This is something, I guess I dropped it. I don't think I have broken it. So let's open up the roller now. So this is the packaging for the roller. I guess I have to get it down like this. It is supposed to be like this. Okay. The packing is pretty easy but I'm not able to open it up. यहाँ पे थोड़ा फंस गया है. Wow. But before opening up, we must always remember this rubber band over here is pretty sensitive one. So it breaks, it can break. So ये जो rubber है बहुत मुश्किल से मिलता है बाद में, तो we need to take care that it does not break so easily. ये थोड़ा सा joint type of है but चलेगा. And let's open it up first. Then we'll open the whole roller in the full length. यार बड़ा ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सा नॉट है यार, एक हाथ से खुल नहीं रहा. बेसिकली दिस इज़ हाउ द रोलर लुक्स फ्रॉम द टॉप. यहाँ पे ये दो ड्रम्स के बीच में द रियर व्हील कम्स. सो दिस ड्रम इज़ काइंड ऑफ फ्री एंड दिस ड्रम इज़ कनेक्टेड टू द फ्रंट ड्रम टू rotate both the, because the power is only on the rear wheel, so also to rotate the front wheel this drum is connected to the front one. And the adjusters are from here. You see the measurements over here: 970, 1000, 1030, etc, etc. So the standard size comes for 1060 over here. We can change it up. You see the slider is given over here as well to move it front and back. Also it is written some disclaimer over here fold the frame and keep the line loose before adjusting the front drum. So we have to keep this thing loose, and we need to fold the drum before adjusting the front drum over here. So this is kind of some instruction manual which we rarely read, because YouTube videos are much more effective and helpful than the instruction manuals. So this thing came inside the packet which I dropped. Okay, so this is a kind of footrest, because the height of the bike raises a bit after using the roller. So the surface is somewhere around here, so this much increase in height is there, and if you are putting your feet down, the bike feels pretty high up. So what you can do is put this leg thing over here, adjusting it. So there is a groove inside it. So मेरे ख्याल से तो pretty tight होना चाहिए. I mostly get on the bike putting the left leg downwards, so let me fix it up here. Okay, so if I put my leg, now it's fixed. So yeah, this is fixed, and I can put my leg over here before getting on the roller. So that was pretty much about the roller. I have got this in a good deal from Cycle Times India. You can follow them up on the Instagram ID over here. You can DM them. They also have a WhatsApp number in that account as well. So if you visit the Instagram page, follow them up and text them on the Instagram or WhatsApp, and you can order a roller like this from the Instagram as well as from the WhatsApp. That video was shot a few days before the lockdown actually got announced. Actually, precisely, if we can say, about 10 days before the parcel actually got delivered over to my place. At that time I was just preparing if in case the lockdown hits West Bengal. So finally here we are, the lockdown finally hit us in West Bengal. It's a 15 days lockdown till May 30, and my birthday is on May 25, so that is also gone in the lockdown as well. So I hope people are coping up with the lockdown with the cycling, and I will also request, please don't go outside just for the sake of fun or the sake of smartness, that okay, see, I'm going outside for cycling and all. If you do have an indoor cycling setup like a roller or a trainer, do train inside, do ride your bike inside your home. And if you don't have that kind of setup, do body weight workout to keep yourself minimum fit till the lockdown finally opens up. So be smart and stay safe. It will be helpful for the society as well as for ourselves as well. With that, I'll consider myself very, very lucky that my indoor setup got delivered a few days before the lockdown actually hit us. I can ride and train inside. Apart from the lockdown, I was also looking forward to getting an indoor trainer or a roller like this, because my coach has recently taken all the sessions indoor on the trainer. He trains us online on Google Meet or Zoom meeting like that. So yeah, it was beneficial for me anyways. With that said, I'll take a leave from here. Until next time we meet, हंसते रहो, हंसाते रहो, जहाँ भी रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो. Goodbye, take care.